This is how you can turn off screen time without the passcode. Go to the settings. This is the main settings page. And then look for screen time. There it is right there. Tap on that. If you go down to the very bottom, it shows turn off app and website activity, which is basically turning off screen time. Tap on that. You're required to enter a passcode. But what if you don't remember it? It's not going to let you turn it off. And there's no forgot passcode option, at least on this page. There is one if you go to change screen time passcode. Tap on that, and then tap on change screen time passcode, not turn it off. And on this page, we have a forgot passcode option we didn't have on the other page. If we tap on that, we can enter the Apple ID, which was used to create the screen time. So if you don't have the Apple ID for that, then this isn't going to work for you, unfortunately. But you're going to enter your Apple ID, email, and password. And then once you enter that, you'll change the screen time passcode to something new. And then that way you have now turned the screen time passcode off essentially with your Apple ID. And then that new passcode is the one you would use to turn it off and on in the future. And I've created a checklist to help you scam proof your phone. This is it right here. It's free. All you gotta do is enter your email address. You can download this, you can print it off. It's just a couple pages long, and everything in there is designed to help you scam proof your phone, which is super important these days. And if you wanna have your iPhone stop tracking you, because it tracks you by default, and it tracks so many things that you do, including washing your hands. If you wanna turn that off, check this video here. I show you where the tracking settings are and how to turn them off. So make sure you check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on that one.